All right, so now that we have our actual document created from the other video, we're going to go ahead and start. So first thing we're going to say is, I'm going to put a title in here, My First Webpage. You can put anything you would like. And what we're going to do is work on the paragraph tag. Now, paragraph tag just is, you want to display some sort of text on the page at one time. The easiest way to do that is type the letter P, and we're going to be using Emmet. Emmet is the fantastic way to make sure that you have an opening and closing bracket, and you don't have to remember a ton of stuff. So we have P here, and the Emmet abbreviation that comes up on there is a P tag, which is, it's going to do it for us. So we're going to hit Tab, and that actually puts our cursor basically between each of those opening and closing tags. Let me go ahead and I'm going to have, let's just take this and I think it's Control B. Yeah, Control B is going to do that. I'm just going to put it, hide that side there so that we have a little bit more real estate. And I will go ahead and move this over. And we can actually see it. We'll actually see it on this as I go. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and type in hello world, if I can spell. And I'll save. Alright, so we have a save here. And if we refresh this page, it actually comes up with hello world. So this is a P. Now I'm going to make this a little bit bigger here, just so that we can see it. Okay. The next thing I want you to go ahead and do is put in another P tag and have this be your name. Okay. And you can hit Control S to save it, and yours might not do that. You'll have to hit refresh. But we have two different paragraph tags going up and down the screen. So now let's go ahead and do some styling. So what we need to do is we can come over here and go to our styling page. And it's just a blank. So the nice thing about this is we have our copy here, and we're going to take all P tags and do something with it. So how do we do this? We come over here to our styles, and we type the letter P, and then we have these curly brackets and hit enter. Now, the nice thing about Visual Studio Code is if I just hold my mouse over this, it says, hey, when you have P tag, this is what this is going to do. It's giving me a warning right now because I don't have anything written in there. But we can do a bunch of stuff inside here to help this. So the first thing I want to go ahead and do is this text. I want to do a quick text align. And this is the awesome part about this, is why we use it, because it uses drop downs. So I want to text align. Hey, guess what? I want to center it. The only thing I did was hit enter. But if you don't need to do that, and I'll show you how to actually go up and down, I hit colon, and I can use the arrow keys on my keyboard, or just start typing, and it'll minimize whatever I need to do. And everything here ends with a semicolon. So you have one statement, semicolon. Okay, so this right here is going to center this on the page. Whatever I have, it's going to center that text. Awesome, right? All right, so now let's do something else. Let's make these things bold. So I can come over here, and there's a font, and what happens is that it's a font weight. So I'll go down here to font weight, and oh, look, there's bold right there. I hit save, and guess what? It changes it to bold. So go ahead and try these. Anything I add at this point, and you don't have to do this, but you're more than welcome to, is if I typed in Web 105 and hit save, it will actually show this in the same format as we just had it. Okay? So what I want you to go ahead and do is create this, save this, and then next video, what we're going to do is upload this to our cPanel account and find the URL.